Why do you want to become a YouTube creator? I've been a teacher for over 40 years. I loved every minute of it. Making a difference. It gave my life meaning. And now I'm retired, but I don't feel finished. I still want to leave an imprint. I still want to help someone, somewhere. I realized I can still teach, but now I can reach people all over the world. If I'm not teaching, I don't feel like I'm doing my part. This isn't the end of my story. This is just my next chapter. What would you like to happen if someone hears your story? I want two things to happen. First, that I honored my desire to leave more of myself out there. And second, that someone somewhere needed to hear what I had to say. For those listening to this interview, what's calling you to leave your legacy?